We forgot our bread at home. So we're just chilling. Can we sit on this tree? You think we could sit? I could sit on this tree and clean my crystals. They are upset. We're sorry, duckies. We didn't bring any food. What? I can sit right here on this tree. I brought some of my crystals. Don't you dare go in that nasty water. Some of my nasty crystals.
Ducks are doing anything amazing. Look at this duck drinking water. Why does that duck have a blue feather?
Isn't that pretty? That's probably you in your past life. Look, because he got a blue feather. Clean some of my crystals. Hey, sir. Sir. Is that my car? My lights on? Sir. Can you come help me clean my crystals in the lake, in the little pond?
Sir, come on. Why these ducks are doing nothing?
Oh. They coming all over here to me.
It's not a feather.
A what? Which, a big one? A big feather?
Come here.
How big? Show me with your hand. That's not big. It's dirty and it's not fresh and clean. We left the bread at home, didn't we?
Yeah. And we'll put his head underneath the water.
They kind of like the cat. You know how our cat be cleaning themselves off?
Yeah. There's a lot.
I wonder what the cat would do
If he saw.
Is that a necklace over there, Beyonce?
What?
Or that's something else? That purple thing? Don't touch it. Is it? Huh? Oh, it's just... Don't hit him. You better not hit him. Ooh, I remember Beyonce. I used to take my brother to a pond like this. And I used to... Do you know how to skip rocks?
I like it.
Do you know what I mean, Beyonce? Well, you could skip it, and then it beep, 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 beep. I can't do it because my nails too long. You know how to do it, Giselle?
Huh?
Giselle. Anyway, back to my crystals. This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. This is pretty. And this one.
You don't want to go to walk?
No. This one is crystal.
How you skip it?
I can't remember. When I was a little girl, I could do it good. Ricky could do it. Then Giselle died. Joshua, he could do it too.
What are you doing, sir?
Oh. And this one. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, you can see the, I don't know, like the little diamonds in there. What the? That big one. Look at that one.
He's eating them,
He eating? What is he eating?
he's eating them Fruit Loops over there.
I'm
There's
gonna
Fruit
give him some
Loops.
fruit.
What are you guys doing?
He think you gave him some, Beyonce. Whoa, he
James,
came awful close,
sir.
dude. Back up before you get checked.
Look at that duck over
That
there.
one.
He knocked the Fruit Loop in the water. He knocked the Fruit Loop.
And I got some of this. Look, they fight. Oh, it's a gangster fight. Oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh no! What are you guys stuck in the water?
Oh. He said, get your hands off me, Johnson. Oh.
Look at that one's
Oh, they're not having it. We're not gonna take it. No, we're not gonna take it.
that green one. He's trying to get that one.
They getting bucked. Oh, book if you look. Oh. Oh. What's going on, Beyonce?
Look
What
at you.
happened? Uh-oh, they don't call. Look, the police on came. Look, the police in the background. Look, here they. What's going on over here with you niggers? Quiet now. We're trying to have a civilized
Well,
picnic
I
out
wish I
here.
could pet one of these ducks.
No, don't tell me.
Why?
They'll bite you.
The cat tries to bite me.
Get out the water. Get out. Go that way. You go that way. All right. Let's separate this party.
Oh, look at they're going. Oh, look! I like how I can see their feet move in the water because they got tiny feet.
I wish it was a pink duck. That's my favorite color. Put your blueberries in the front. Put your berries in the front so they can see. Talk to them. Do they even see you?
Yeah, I'm trying to scare them.
See. And then we got Fool's Gold. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Not a lot of sun over here. Don't mess with them, Beyonce. And then this one.
Ah, he's eating Fruit Loops.
And this one right here. It looks like a goose egg. I used to think these were two the same until you hold them together. And you, excuse my fingers, guys. We were like playing in the sand. My nails. But see, they're not. Oh shoot, they're not the same. If you can see, this one kind of got like little golden something in there. This is for your yoni. Your yoni. I'm not putting that in that water.
Yeah.
Your yoni. And then this one right here. I think it's a moonstone. I can't remember what this is. A lot of people want to be requested. Look, they gotta go. They gotta go.
Oh my god.
It's on. It's on. Oh. Oh, there's a big ant on me. Get off me, Mr. Ant.
Be quiet,
Uh-oh.
ducks. Look at that one. He's standing on a rock.
Look. Oh. ripped off his.
And look at
I can't
it
zoom
has the
in.
blue part.
He don't ripped off his feather.
I think he got scared and shut it off.
This is, what is it called? Abuse. Domestic violence. Oh my God.
Ducky.
Come on, Beyonce.
I didn't know they were fighting so much.
Why are they fighting?
I don't know, they don't like each other. Oh, look at one
They
of them
all
left.
friends. He gone. He like, that dude back there like, I don't have to deal with this stuff. I'm a prominent citizen. He's out.
Look at these ducks.
45,000. And these ducks keep on coming by me. Oh, he got a is he a purple feather? He got a purple feather.
Which one?
Right here. Dizel.
Him?
Dizel, this one got a purple feather. Look. Dizel.
He's out.
Yeah, over there with his friends. He ain't thinking about us.
Wait, that one right
Yeah, you see it's hidden.
there? Not the blue feather.
No, it's purple.
Mm.
Purple. Colorblind purple.
It's blue, Mom.
It's purple.
Blue.
Whatever. You can see it the way you see it.
Look at
Everybody
that
sees the
one.
world
That
differently.
one has a purple feather.
Now, don't try to copy me now.
Oh, I
Sister.
thought you were talking about that
Sister.
one. Oh my God.
Oh,
Oh my God.
oh.
Like bring me around the rosy. I'm gonna punch your tail off.
Oh, they ducking. Ducking and bucking. Duck, buck, duck, buck.
Why can't you guys be nice to each other?
Guys, that man, he done came back. The ducks done came back.
He's like, you know what? I'm gonna stick around.
The fat boys are back. I used to could beatbox back in the day. That's another one.
What you guys doing over here? I want to play. Can I play?
That's the one who don't play. She bougie and bad. Look,
Oh, she got a purple feather.
but she ain't playing. Look, she is not playing. She like, y'all gonna settle down. I heard y'all way over there, and then
Look at that one trying to bite her.
Look. Oh, don't splash. Oh, she like, you wanna go? They just bathing. That's all they is. They taking a baths. They mad because they don't want us to see them naked.
Look at Mama. That feather's still in the ocean. Right there.
I wish I could get it.
I can get it for you. I'll get a stick.
No.
Sticks. Look, he's eating it. He's eating it.
Oh no. That is disrespectful. The man can't eat the man's feather. I'm gonna take a picture of you, baby. So pretty. I'm gonna take a picture of you, baby.
Okay.
Say bye. Bye, Facebook.
Bye, Facebook.
Bye, guys. Let me see how you end this thing.
Duck.
Now, watch. Right when I turn it off.
Duck.
That's when they look at that one looking at you, Beyonce. Look. Ooh, and he scratched it there like, you wanna come on?
Ducks.
Just let y'all see the scenery. There they go.
Look at that one.
Oh. It's getting hectic. It's good. Kind of hectic. It's good.
Ew, what is your blue? Ew.
Look at him shaking his tail. Shake your tail feather. Look at him.
So that duck is coming for you.
Okay. He with his friends.
I wish I could pick one of them up and throw them at the duck.
Is that nice, Beyonce?
Ew, what if them ate something?
Just look. Don't you dare break that tree.
I know, I just hold it on to it slowly.
It feels so good out here. Oh my gosh, guys.
I'm scaring the ducks,
clean my crystals. Clean my crystals and then go walk in
And then we go play in the
the
playground.
sandbox again.
You guys, where are you guys going? All the ducks are leaving. Run, there was.
They drying themselves off.
Mama, look it. It's been this summer. All these green leaves are back. Except for that.
That tree probably dead. I don't know. They beating up the tree.
Haha.
They beat. Look. Look, he trying to eat it.
Get over here, guys. Let me do a stick at it. I go throw this stick at yours. No, guys, don't eat that stick. Sit down.
I don't think they be fighting, Beyonce. I think they just
No, they're not. They're fighting.
they just like ducking their head down because they trying to stay cool. Here's the babies.
Yeah.
You see them, Beyonce?
Babies.
The babies.
The ducklings.
The baby ones.
I love when the ducklings came here. They make everything better.
Now they better not be fighting with these babies in here. Look at them.
They're going
Look at the babies.
Look at the baby. Oh, we got. Don't be quiet, guys. You guys are too serious. Don't splash me. Here, ducky. Walk through. There you go, ducky. Eat that food, ducky. Eat that food. Eat that food, ducky. Eat it. Ducky. Take it.
When they talking to you, talk back to them, Beyonce.
Hi, duckies. Duckies. Yeah.
It's so pretty
I
out here.
fed them a root.
You
Look.
did.
Yeah, I fed them.
Ooh. Look at this one. He's trying to be slick, trying to come on my feet.
Hey guys, I'm gonna get you some more leaves.
They eat leaves?
Guys, eat it.
Oh, yeah. Look, oh.
Hey, you guys share. Yeah.
Share, guys.
There's plenty of leaves for everyone.
Tell them, Beyonce. Tell them to share.
Guys, here you go.
So you gotta share.
Oh my god. Bro, you can't take 2 leaves. You take what you get. Hey, ducky. Get down. Food. See what I tell you? You can feed them leaves.
Are they eating them? Yeah.
Guys,
Wow.
here you go. Look at that one.
Mhm.
Eat the leaves I gave her.
Look, they eating it. Wow. Look, Beyonce, look at it. Look at that one right there. Got it in his mouth.
Yeah, you got a leaf in his mouth.
Like, what's that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the other one stole it. Oh.
Ducky, here. Ducky. Get it. Oh, no. Oh, man. Ah. Whoa, who's going to eat this? Guys, lunchtime. They're eating it.
Oh, crazy.
They're like, give that.
Look.
Give it. You take your piece and I get my piece. Guys, a lot of leaf for everybody here. Guys, got more fresh leaves. There you go.
They eating it?
Look at it. Look at it. They're fighting. They want it.
Eat your vegetables.
You can't be eating all this bread all the time. Gotta eat your veggies. Guys, look at it. I got a big one. There you go. You eat the grass. Wait, guys, you eat crunchy leaves? Guys, you eat crunchy leaves. Guys,
Don't give them the old kind. You think so?
Yeah. Crunchy leaves. There you go. Guys.
I don't want none of that. They like the fresh kind. Do they like the fresh kind?
Yeah, look, they're eating all the fresh ones. Yeah.
Delicious.
Guys, here. Fresh leaves. Fresh ones. That feels so nice giving them leaves instead of all that bread.
You do.
Oh my god, I got a big one. Guys, food! You guys can have it.
Oh, they don't. I don't think they want that. Over there, I think those are the meat eaters.
Okay. Sit down, come. Raise up, please. Get up, dumps. You guys.
The door is locked.
Door open.
It's locked.
Lock. Guys, more leaves for you. Wait, do you guys eat more grass? Wait, grass.
Hey.
Where you going?
You have to go to the car.
Get my charger.
What you gonna charge it into one of these ducks? Okay, that's wonderful. He's with his friends. All right, say bye. Say bye, Facebook.
Bye, Facebook.